How high-value women make men obsessed with them. Ladies, you want a man who searches for these fantastic traits, the sort of attributes that are far more significant than appearances when looking for a decent partner and lover. Some ladies are natural goddesses. They are not usually the most attractive, but their beauty radiates from the inside, founded on self-confidence and self-esteem. This is what attracts guys to them. Men are drawn to high-value women in the same way that bees are drawn to honey. Are you curious about these oh-so-amazing traits that guys find impossible to resist? Let's find out all 8. If you can relate to at least 4 of these 8 traits, you are already on the right path. 1. She is easygoing. Men prefer women who can relax and do not strive to manage every situation. For example, if your partner is preparing dinner for you and slicing veggies, don't urge him to cut them in half or 1-inch pieces. Instead, let him do his thing. 2. She enjoys and is aware of what is going on right now. She enjoys every minute that life brings her. She just observes the type of man she is now dealing with. Many women are natural planners, becoming obsessed with and managing the smallest things. When you can relax and accept all life has to offer with a grain of salt and thankfulness, you are a treasure, since this is a very rare characteristic among women. He will be so captivated by your aura that he will find himself thinking about you even when you are not around. 3. She keeps herself a mystery to men. She is full of rich, colorful layers, delicately peeling each layer to her partner one by one, making him gasp with surprise with each new discovery. The element of mystery is what keeps relationships fresh. She is always capable of thinking beyond the box. She understands how to keep the chase going in a relationship by not showing all of her cards at once. 4. She is not addicted to love. She is not in love with the concept of needing to be in love, to be and feel whole. She knows and is convinced that she is complete and deserving, whether or without romantic love. In reality, she does not want love and is not actively seeking it. Rather, she likes her life. She understands exactly what she wants out of life and in a partner. Men are drawn to this attribute because women who know themselves know exactly what they stand for, their value, what they enjoy and don't like, and aren't hesitant to speak their thoughts. 5. She is not clingy. When a relationship ends, high-value women may walk away without making a scene, even if the man is the first to go. In contrast, she will quit a relationship if she believes it is no longer benefiting her or her man. She doesn't cling to the concept of love when it's evident that it's no longer working for them. 6. She is pursuing her passion. When her boyfriend is not with her, a lady of high value and integrity will have her own friends, interests, passions, and things. If a guy wants to go out with his friends without you, an irresistible woman will not make a big deal out of it or do anything totally unattractive or desperate to get invited. If you make him the center of your life, you will be unhappy and will make your guy unhappy. He will never do the things you have always wanted to do, and you will constantly make him feel awful for not doing things with you. 7. She is down to earth. She has the ability to adapt to any situation. She has the ability to appreciate the simple things in life. Who knows what matters in life, such as family, friends, love, and connection? Men want an honest yet sensible woman who understands how to have fun, whether it's going on a crazy adventure or staying in and preparing dinner and watching a movie. 8. She takes care of her looks. I saved this for last since I believe the other points are more important. But don't underestimate the impact of your feminine beauty if you want to make your partner fascinated with you. Drive him crazy with your appearance, and no, you don't have to look like a model. Enhance and play with your best features. Well, how many of these qualities do you have? Let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, if you want to know the secret backdoor access point to every man's heart, do not forget to click on the link we have provided in the video description to watch a free video of the relationship expert James Bauer. Thanks for watching.